I'm sure you've heard the news. Easypaisa cards work on Google Play now. But setting it up sounds tricky, right? Don't stress, I'll walk you through it. First, let's make your Easypaisa card ready for action. Open the Easypaisa app, tap on Manage Card inside the plastic card section, and flip the switch for e-commerce transactions. That's just a fancy way of saying, turn on online shopping. Easy, right? Now grab your phone and jump into the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture, then payment methods. Hit Add Payment Method, pick credit or debit card, and type in your Easypaisa card details. Don't worry, it's just numbers, dates, and that tiny CVV on the back. Save it and boom, your card is ready. Now you can buy apps, games, and more, like a pro. Bonus tip, you can even add your Easypaisa card to Google Pay for in-app goodies. So go ahead, unlock the world of Google Play with your Easypaisa card. It's easier than finding your Wi-Fi password.